Insert E4, E5, and E6 into E3 with the white surfaces facing the same direction. Then set the unit aside. Insert E8 and E9 into E7. Attach E10 to E8 and E11 to E9. Take these pieces and set aside. Unwrap side panels E1 and E2. Start with E1 and flip it so that the white side is up. Take the D unit and attach to E1, removing D2 and D6. Take the rectangular E unit and insert into E1. Attach E2. Alignment makes this difficult, so don't worry. Reattach D2 and D6. Grab the E7 unit and insert into E1. Grab E13 and insert into E2. To assemble F, start with F1 and attach F2 and F3. Insert F4 and F5 into the side slots of F2 and F3.